Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Bluestacks on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Wait for everything to boot up completely before proceeding, as this ensures a smooth installation process without any interruptions. Once your PC is ready, open a new browser window. You can use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, whichever you prefer. In the address bar, navigate to google.com. When the search bar appears, type in Bluestacks and hit enter. This will bring up search results related to the Bluestacks emulator. From the results displayed, click on the official Bluestacks website link. This will redirect you to the Bluestacks homepage where you can access the installer. On the Bluestacks dashboard page, you'll prominently see a button labeled Download Bluestacks. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the download of the Bluestacks installer file to your computer. The download might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed, so just be patient while it completes. Once the installer has finished downloading, locate the file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. Now, simply run this installer by double-clicking on it. This will launch the Bluestacks installation wizard on your Windows device, allowing you to proceed with the setup and start using the Android emulator on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Bluestacks installer and are ready to complete the installation on your Windows 11 system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.